Let's read the question. It's a differentiation question in two parts. Part A is a rectangle whose width changes slightly, and Part B compares the areas of two lots of land. Here's what we're given. A rectangle with sides in terms of x that changes by a small amount p, and two lots, p a rectangle and q a trapezium. And what we must find: the small change in the rectangle's area, the value of y that makes lot q biggest, and finally which lot holds the most grass. So here's what we're working with and what we're after. Two givens with their diagrams and three things to find across parts A and B. Here is diagram 6, the rectangle ABCD. The top side AB is 5x minus 1, and the right side BC is 2x. The area of a rectangle is just its length times its width, so we multiply those two sides together. Let's keep the rectangle beside us and work through part A. Step 1. Write the area as a function of x. Area is length times width, so 5x minus 1 times 2x. Expanding the brackets gives 10x squared minus 2x. Now we differentiate using the power rule. Bring the power down, then drop the power by 1. That gives the rate of change of area, 20x minus 2. Step 2. A small change in x produces a small change in area. For a small change, the change in area is roughly the rate of change times the change in x. The change in x is 3 plus p minus 3, which is just p. The change happens when x is 3, so put 3 into the rate of change. 20 times 3 minus 2 is 58. So the small change in area is 58 times p, 58 p square centimeters. Now part B. Diagram 7 shows two lots of land. Lot P is a rectangle, x meters by x minus 1 meters. Lot Q is a trapezium. The two parallel sides are 3y on top and 5y along the bottom, and the height is 38 minus 8y. Let's park the diagram on the right and work through part B. Step 3. Write the area of lot Q as a function of y. The area of a trapezium is a half, times the sum of the parallel sides, times the height. Put in 3y, 5y, and the height. 3y plus 5y is 8y, and a half of 8y is 4y. Expanding gives 152y minus 32y squared. Step 4. For the maximum area, the gradient is 0. At a maximum, the rate of change is 0, so we differentiate and set it equal to 0. Differentiating, the gradient is 152 minus 64y. Set it to 0, so 64y equals 152. Dividing, y is 2.375. Step 5. First, find lot P's area using its perimeter. The perimeter is twice x plus twice x minus 1, equal to 54. That tidies to 4x minus 2 equals 54, so x is 14. So lot P is 14 by 13, giving an area of 182 square meters. Step 6. Now find lot Q's maximum area and compare. Put y equals 2.375 back into the area of Q. That works out to 180.5 square meters. Compare the two. P has 182, Q has 180.5. Since 182 is bigger than 180.5, lot P will be planted with the most grass. Final answers. For part A, the small change in area is 58 p square centimeters. For part B1, y is 2.375. And for part B2, lot P has the most grass, since 182 beats 180.5.